was it 4 minutes? 50? Okay, so we were a little faster than you planned. Maybe we have a little more tailwind. And left clear, right clear. Okay, 120, 100. Okay. Now 100. Okay, now radio call. Okay. LA base in traffic, helicopter 7 to Romeo over water treatment plant at 2000 heading Santa Ana Canyon, LA base. Nice, really good call. Good job. Altitude airspeed looks really good. Call was really good. Timer is started and we have a heading. So if you have the heading, choose a point and then fly straight to the heading. Okay, what else do you think can we already prepare? What is a good idea now? Checkpoint and time. Yeah. So what can we prepare for the next step? Next checkpoint. Yeah. Next checkpoint, Corona. Next checkpoint is Corona already. So what should we do before we get there? Listen to stuff. Yes, so you can now prepare your frequencies and maybe already listen to the AWOS. Because we're getting pretty close, like only like 10 miles away. Okay. 132.2, 175. Yeah.
At 10. Visibility 10.
Then let's listen for altimeter settings and wind especially.
Okay. Temperature 27 Celsius, 2.14 Celsius, altimeter 2986. Remarks, density altitude 2,100. Corona Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2221 Zulu. Wind 260 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 27 Celsius, 2.14 Celsius, altimeter 2986. Remarks, density altitude 2,100.
Okay, did you hear everything?
Wind is 260 at Municipal
Let's
Airport.
change the frequency.
Okay. Automated
260 at
6.
no.
Or least, okay.
It's okay. At 10.
10.
So which runway would you use?
25.
Yes, good idea. Okay, what are we looking for Santa Ana Canyon? How does it look like?
Just mountain.
Yeah, it's actually this big intersection here. So this whole area is the Santa Ana Canyon. But the checkpoint on the chart, a little off second, is this intersection. So let's fly straight to the intersection. Okay. Okay, and then let's prepare the next frequency. Okay.
152.7.
Actually, let's keep that one.
At 1. Visibility 10.
Nice. Okay, then let's think about where we have to, with what heading or what?
Heading 60 and 4.5 minutes.
060 you mean?
Yeah, 060. At distance 6 miles.
Okay.
Traffic, 8 Foxtrot, turn left, left crosswind for downwind departure.
Okay, we took about 4 minutes. That was pretty accurate, pretty nice.
1 mile northwest, 2,500, will be flying over Medfield, heading towards Arlington County.
Okay, left clear.
Traffic, 8 Foxtrot, turn left downwind for departure.
Okay, maybe you can let them know that you are coming.
Traffic, just center 1 is about 2 miles to the east. We're descending from 2,500 to 1,600, doing a low approach. Just current traffic.
So you can tell them over Santa Ana Canyon, to Corona traffic, 7 to Romeo over Santa Ana Canyon, inbound for 25.
Okay.
20 Delta Midfield downwind 25 Corona, you got time to take off?
1 Foxtrot is taking off runway 25.
Corona
Korean traffic helicopter A37 to Romeo over Santa Ana Canyon, inbound for runway 25, Korean traffic.
Perfect.
Rush Traffic, Southwest 26 Mike over midfield 2500, session.
Go another 4 minutes.
To Lake Matthews.
But this street is the 91 again.
91?
Yes. So that's pretty nice to follow. You can just follow the street that's going to bring you to the airport. Well, straight is okay.
25 Echo is 10 miles to
And do you know where the airport is? Left or right side of the street? Left side. Yes, very good. So as we get closer, you can already look for the airport.
will be my last call.
There are some more power lines, but we are high now. And also, in Corona, you want to be a little lower, right? So you can maybe already slowly start to descend. Okay, then we want to listen out for traffic. So this one, you see this white area with the letters? This is Prado Dam.
Delta turning downwind, down the wash for 25 Corona.
So that's also a nice checkpoint a lot of people use. So it's called Prado Dam. So maybe when we are over there, you can say we are over Prado Dam, or there's an aircraft right in front of us.
Over Prado Dam?
Over Prado Dam. Entering a left downwind.
Traffic just on the upwind.
And left down in the 425?
Yes.
Downwind, okay, left downwind. South 91, how's you guys in sight? We're flying westbound 1900. Roger that. Thanks.
Korean traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo over Freedom Dam, entering left down in the 425, Korean traffic.
Nice. So guys, one aircraft on upwind, and one guy is in downwind. Okay, let's go to pattern altitude. Can you see these railroads here? These train tracks? You can follow these train tracks and go to 1000 down and get 70 knots, a little slower. With this train tracks, you can just follow them for our downwind. That's gonna be our downwind, okay?
Okay.
And maybe you can look for an airport. Can you
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, nice. The airport is pretty close already. So we have one runway 25 goes in this direction. So this is our nice downwind.
Clear 25 Corona.
There's one guy in base and one guy on downwind.
I check it.
Okay, nice. Okay, then what else should we do on downwind?
Warning lights check.
Yeah, landing check.
Warning lights out. Computer screen 1, 2, 3 기준 green is middle. Clear is sharp. Copy temperature loud below.
Put it up. And one more thing we have to do now. In the right second. One more thing, what I told you in the beginning, what we also have to do in the landing check.
Taxiing back.
Runway 25.
No, on a cross country, we put down the wait, let's go left side. Let's on the left side of the cycle. To get you, it's a good habit. Okay, 70 knots, gauge check is done. One guy is on base. Can keep this altitude, that's nice. Keep the 70.
Okay.
Then just like in Compton, you can then tell them turning left base and then turning final.
Okay.
But we wait, we cannot turn base before this guy is not on final, right? So we wait a little until he's next to us. So there is a runway and we're gonna aim for the numbers of the runway, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, wait a second, he's still over there.
Acro traffic. Go.
Echo 60.
Yeah. And you can keep the altitude
Tango Foxtrot, you want to go first? Go ahead. Watch your mouth.
LA Basin traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo on left base 425, LA Basin.
Correction, Corona traffic. LA Basin, that's not LA Basin.
1-8 Delta, line up and wait 25, then straight out, Corona.
Left clear, right.
Okay, one guy just said he's gonna line up and wait, so he's gonna go on the runway. So yeah, we still should have enough time. Tell them turning final.
Okay. Delta rolling 25 Corona, straight out.
Korean traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo on final for runway 25, Korean traffic.
Nice. Okay, let's try to land on the numbers. We can for the numbers. Okay, one guy is on base, crosswind, one guy on upwind. Don't get too low, raise a little, raise. We want to land on the numbers.
Packer, Dunstone, 8867, wind 25. Full button, go.
Nice, beautiful, good correction. Job.
Okay, now back check.
Yeah, let's check.
Left clear, right clear.
You're on a pretty strong wind, so be careful. Okay, nobody there. So when the wind is very strong, you don't do that. But today it's okay. So here we see the windsock, it's not too windy.
Okay.
Yeah, then you can do a gauge check and radio call.
Okay, rolling lights out, copy the screen, 1, 2, 3, gauge
Go,
order.
gonna go?
Either fuel is up, cover temperature out of air.
Yeah, going now.
Yeah,
Okay,
now
let's first roll, yeah. And then you can say on the go.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, let's first focus on flying. Left pedal.
Corona traffic, helicopter 70 Romeo is on the runway 25 right, left clear traffic, Corona traffic.
Yeah, running traffic. So it's just runway 25 and not 25 right. There is only one runway here.
Okay.
But that's okay, that happens. It's a little confusing because of comp, right? Yeah, so we always, before we cross in, we want to have 300 feet HL.
Yeah.
And here we have 500 feet field elevation, plus 300 is 800.
Okay. Left clear. Now radio call.
Yep.
Corona traffic, helicopter 70 Romeo on crossing the 4 runway 25, Corona traffic.
That's perfect. We could say left crosswind, but other than that, it's perfect. Okay, then we fly all the way to the train tracks again.
Oh, yeah.
And we intercept the train tracks. And now you are good altitude, you can go to 70 knots.
Now left clear, right clear.
That's good job. I think 1100 is actually a little better than 1000 because pretty high terrain here. But that's a good altitude now. The one guy is on the runway, and that's it.
Corona traffic, helicopter 70 Romeo on left down in the 425, runway 25, Corona traffic. Rolling lights out, 조금 더 screen, 1, 2, 3, gauge all green, F's middle, fuel is half, temperature, all the way low.
That's a really nice downwind here.
taking off from runway 25, Corona.
Okay, this guy is taking off. Oh yeah, let's extend a little bit.
Okay.
And somewhere here is always a good time to turn base when if there is nobody ahead of us. Clear.
Clear,
Let's
right,
go 60 knots.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it at the same time, you can also turn. Still forward and race. We're gonna have a pretty long final so you don't have to descend too much.
Ah, okay.
Little descent is okay.
Traffic south, 886, left, northwest 25.
Corona traffic, helicopter 70 Romeo on left base for runway 25, Corona traffic.
Nice, good job.
Left clear, right clear.
Yeah. So you start to descend a little bit.
Okay.
Still have a lot of time to adjust.
Corona traffic, helicopter 70 Romeo on the final for runway 25, Corona traffic.
Very good. This time we are a little higher, but it's, actually the angle looks really good. That's a nice angle. Don't descend too much.
886,
Corona traffic, 225 single stock, turning left upwind for a downwind departure.
Left upwind. That makes no sense. Nice. A little slow, but it's okay. Just don't get too slow. Only when you get closer then you get slower. Nice, that's a much better angle than on the first one. It's a little steeper, it's really nice. Get slower.
Toronto traffic 225 Tango Foxtrot correction is now turning downwind.
Nice, we overshot a little bit because in the end we were a little bit too fast.
Clear, light clear.
So next time a little slower in the end would be nice.
Echo traffic scout heading
Okay, nobody there.
left base 5.
Okay, there's one guy on left base. So let's just tell them taking off.
Okay. Korea traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo taking off runway 25, Korea traffic.
You could also say for left close traffic. But
Okay.
okay. We're gonna do a gauge check in the air because this guy is on base. So let's go. Okay, so taking off runway 25 for left close traffic. The same like in comp.
Okay.
Left pedal now. Nice. Take off. Okay, 60 knots. Looks good.
Traffic scout heading final touch and go 5.
Okay, this guy is on final and he's gonna do a touch and go, so he's gonna stay behind us.
Okay. Now left clear, right clear.
Maybe you have to fly a little bit in this direction, because otherwise the wind is gonna push you. So we have to fly a little here. And radio call.
Korea traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo on left crossing the for runway 25, Korea traffic.
Nice, very good.
17 knots. Left clear, right clear.
Keep forward. Yes, very nice turn. Good job, bro. Also good correction on the collective.
Now Korea traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo on left down into for runway 25, Korea traffic. Running right now down to 123 gauge Empress middle, fuel is half, comfortable person, I'll go yellow.
Nice, that's so far a beautiful pattern. Really good job so far.
Middle high.
You can also check the runway. Yeah, it's free at the moment. Nobody there. Have a lot of time.
Left clear, right.
Beautiful work on the pedals. Sim strings are perfectly set. Maybe we just don't do a base turn now because it's busy. We can just then tell them turning final.
Korea traffic helicopter 7 to Romeo turning final for runway 25, Korea traffic.
Okay, this time you turned a little earlier, right? So we have a little less time. It will be a little steep, but let's aim for the second intersection, please. So not this first one, but after the numbers, the next taxiway intersection.
Okay.
Okay? And in general, when you aim for the numbers, you could extend the downwind a little more and you have a little more space. Okay, let's aim for the intersection over there.
Okay.
So now we are very low. Raise collective, raise collective. Raise, raiser. Over there.
Okay.
So this is the first intersection, this is the second.
5.
Traffic Control 7330 Hotel, 1 mile east, planning on overflying the field at 1700 Krona.
Yes, okay, then let's hover to the fuel station. Left clear, right clear.
clear of running 5.
Traffic, helicopter 7446, F minus south and 2,100 feet, heading to northwest.
Now we are on the runway, so we are not clear. Only when we cross this line, then we are clear.
Skyhawk 886, turn left base 25.
Okay, let's keep going. And when the whole helicopter is over this line, so now you can say clear of runway 25.
Okay. Korea traffic, helicopter 7 to Romeo, clear of runway 25, Korea traffic.
Okay, so usually we would fuel over there, but this pump was not working last time. So let's just hover over there, please.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Because this mushroom style fuel station here is pretty dangerous for us because of the roof. So we have to be very careful. So we just stay pretty far away, we park here.
Department field climbing out of 1900 Corona.
Yes, you can keep going this
Go
direction.
westbound to your house.
Okay, let's stop here. Do a little left pedal turn.
Okay, left clear, right clear.
A little more, yeah. Okay, that's enough. And now just a little straight. Straight. Straight, yeah. Keep going, a little right pedal. Gonna keep the heading over there. Okay, that's good. Then let's set down here.
Okay, set down.
Nice, very nice set down. All the way down.
Yep.
And shut down.
Okay. Just RPM.
Contact November 48823, taking runway 25 Corona. Sure, traffic, Skyhawk 886, on the upwind 5.
Nice. So some good patterns. Last one was really nice.
Yeah.
Just on the last one, for some reason, you turned base a little earlier, right? Which is okay, you can do that, but then you have to maybe descend a little more or a little earlier. Because otherwise you end up pretty high. So usually these two ones, they were nice, they have a lot of space for the final. This one is also okay, but then you just have to lower a little earlier and a little more.
Okay.
Yeah, but all the others is really nice. The pattern itself, the shape, really good. We just followed the train tracks for the downwinds, the good pace and final. Really nice patterns, also good radio calls. So we just get
Traffic, helicopter 7446, 4 miles south, and
426.
2,000 feet,
Jay,
heading to northwest Apollo I-15. Traffic.
Okay,
Traffic,
and Christy.
886, westbound
Yes.
5.
You start a timer? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, maybe we get about 7 gallons or so. How many gallons do we have?
4 miles south, line to 150 intersection, and to 1,900 feet, follow the I-15 heading to northwest, Traffic.
12.5.
12.5. Yeah, I would say this is just a below half, so maybe 8. And this is half would be 4.5. So maybe 3. So about 11 gallons, I would say. So 8 plus 3, about 11.
Okay.
Plus minus. Yeah, so we can take more than 20. We have 11. Let's take 7 gallons. We don't need that much.
7 gallons.
Yeah.
On a traffic, 172 Romeo Delta over the shopping center, heading for step downwind runway 25. We will follow the 170 down. Traffic November 48823, left downwind 25 Corona. Traffic down 886, left base 5. traffic helicopter